Good morning, students. Today we are going to study here this smallest number, biggest number, increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order means the numbers written from the smallest to the biggest are in increasing order, and these numbers written from the biggest to the smallest are in decreasing order. In increasing order means these numbers from smallest to the biggest, it is called as this ascending order. This increasing order, these numbers called as a ascending order, and the numbers written from this biggest to smallest means this decreasing order of these numbers called as a descending order. Here some numbers given, you write in these numbers which is the smallest number, biggest number, increasing order and decreasing order. Given numbers, smallest, first column, given numbers. Given numbers. Then smallest number, then biggest number, then increasing order, increasing, then decreasing. Decreasing order. Increasing order means ascending order and decreasing order means descending order. Then here numbers given 6, 3, 1, 8. In these numbers, which is the smallest number? Firstly you write here smallest number, 1 is the smallest, and in this number 6, 3, 1, 8, 4 digits given here. Then which is the biggest number here? 8. Then increasing order means smallest to biggest. Firstly you write here 1, 3, 6, 8. Then decreasing order, biggest number to smallest one, 8, 6, 3, 1. See next one, 2, 5, 9, 7. These 4 numbers given. 2, 5, 9, 7. In these 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? Firstly write this smallest number 2 and biggest number 9. Then increasing order, smallest to biggest, 2, 5, 7 and lastly 9. Then in decreasing order, biggest number 2, smallest one, this 9, 7, 5, 2. Eight, 9, 6, 4. 8, 9, 6, 4. In these 4 numbers, which is the smallest? 4. And biggest number 9. Then write increasing, smallest to biggest, 4, 6, 8, 9. And in decreasing, biggest number to smallest one, 9, 8, 6 and 4. One, 9, 4, 7. 1, 9, 4, 7. In these numbers, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest. Then biggest number 9. Then you write here 9. Then ascending order, smallest number to biggest one. In this smallest, firstly 1, afterwards 4, 7, and last this biggest number 9. Then in this decreasing order, biggest number to smallest, this 9, 7, 4, 1. Next one, 5, 7, 1, 3. 5, 7, 1, 3. In these numbers, which is the smallest one? 1 is the smallest and biggest number 7. Then you write here in increasing order, smallest to biggest, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. And in decreasing order, this biggest number to smallest means 7, 5, 3, 1. Again one see example, 6, 2, 8, 9. 6, 2, 8, 9. In these 4 numbers, which is the smallest one? Firstly you see the smallest number 2, then biggest number, which is the biggest, 9. Then in increasing order, smallest to biggest one, firstly write this 2, then 6, 8 and 9. In decreasing order, this biggest number to smallest one, write firstly write this 9, 8, 6 and lastly 2. In these 4 numbers, which is the smallest number, biggest number, increasing order, in this ascending, the number smallest to the biggest one, and decreasing order means this descending order of these numbers, means the numbers written from the biggest to the smallest. In homework, all of you complete this table. In this, make here columns and you write the smallest, biggest, increasing order and decreasing order.